In metal processing and reprocess, are you still using traditional cleaning methods? Faced with the problem of difficulty to remove rust and worn material surfaces, manual scraping results in dust, noise, and a harsh environment. Chemical cleaning leaves a significant residue and is not environmentally friendly. Sandblasting equipment is bulky and cumbersome to handle after cleaning. It's time to switch to a more efficient, environmentally friendly, and safer methods. Let me introduce you our SEAGULL2 Pulsed Laser Cleaning machine. Luggage-style design, compact and portable, the machine can be moved and operated in various environments. Whether in a workshop or an outdoor construction site, it demonstrates flexibility. 26 kg. Tilt-style operating screen, user-friendly design that better suits the operator's habits. Equipped with two sets of brake wheels, the machine is equipped with omnidirectional wheels for free rotation and easy movement. The rear wheels are equipped with brakes to ensure smooth and reliable operation. Lightweight cleaning height, it ensures comfortable operation even during extended period. The nozzle features an auxiliary air blowing function, effectively extending the life of the protective lens. Dual red light positioning, precise and rapid focusing improves cleaning efficiency. Multi-language system, built in many languages options, easily adapting to the needs of global users. 8 cleaning modes for different materials. You can flexibly choose the optimal cleaning solution. The spray mode provides faster oscillation speed and extra protection for sensitive substrates. Once rusty equipment surfaces are transformed in just minutes, looking brand new. Using the SEAGULL2 Pulsed Laser Cleaner, you will save labor and chemical treatment costs, reduce the safety and environmental hazards, and easily achieve efficient and green operations. Manufactured by HANTENCNC, our SEAGULL2 Pulsed Laser Cleaning machine undergoes rigorous testing and quality inspection before being shipped worldwide, injecting new power into industrial cleaning. Contact us today to see the best performance of SEAGULL2 machine, making cleaning no longer tedious.